Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, I got an Apple plan here for AAPL. I got a plan here. Before I talk about the plan, let me show you something here quickly. All right, so here I am on Power Triggers. I want to show you a post I made about Apple. I want to explain something and why I made a change in mind now. So where I made some comments about Apple. So let's go to the charts now. Give me a second here. All right, so on April the 22nd, basically that was on the weekend because this was based on the Friday close, right, Monday. And I said that Apple had a lot of key support zones, right? And basically, it wasn't a good setup. I was looking for, it wasn't the best setup at the time, right? Because I found other stocks that I liked better. However, nothing could really confirm. And of course, we got the pullback in the SPY, and that was the reason why. However, the pullback in the SPY also has created opportunity as the SPY still remains above other key support zones. And the thing about Apple is it held it bounced key support levels as well. So now I'm looking for another confirmation point. And again, let's talk about my plan. So, and again, if we notice Apple since Friday is really not gone down very much. It's been painfully going and only going lower due to the market. High odds. Apple, well, high odds. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you. Give me a second. All right, so I'm back here at the Apple chart. So basically, I did talk about key support levels in that video. And, you know, basically I like the action. It is like compressed, okay? And so I'm going to talk about some key possible areas that Apple gets back to on confirmation, okay? Before earnings, which is May the 1st, okay? So some of the targets I could see Apple doing is 168 to 172, right? Now, that's if all goes well, right? At the same time, with these particular calls, so Apple is set up to bounce here based on some facts, and I've explained those facts right now, right? I will explain inside the video just like I said, right? The May 18, 165 calls are great to use, right? This is a great pivotal zone, meaning that if we get the bounce and it gets to the weaker end, which is one of the targets, 168, right? One thing you want to do is you want to pull out of these particular options before earnings, right? So you're looking to hit targets. We're looking to hit 168 to 172. Great gains in these options, right? And as you can see here, the options right here, the 165 calls, 1.8K traded, tight spreads, very good. Amazon earnings on Thursday, right? Apple compressed at powerful support levels. So confirmation of this stock yields high odds, right? Then, of course, I'm going to have a plan for the SPY. And when the SPY confirms, oh, what's going to happen with Apple too? So Apple at a gain, a very high level, the action, the price action I've been looking at, the history, a lot of variables. High odds that Apple, this option trade, on confirmation, will be profitable to great profits. And again, I will post that information inside of Power. So what does Apple need to do? Well, what does Apple need to do? Well, I will post that information inside of Power Group Trades. Let me show you something, people. All right, people. Here's Power Trigger Trade confirmation is key. Over here, I have a pinned tweet video. See this pinned tweet video? You want to see it to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Listen, people. It's all about confirmation. Nothing really could confirm. Markets being choppy, right? And we got, you know, you take something like Google, it looked very good, popped it after hours, looked good, but could not confirm, and then they massively pulled it back. However, in the big picture of things, Google very strong. It's just part of the picture of how the market goes to SPY 300. Let me show you something. I want to show you something because I'm a big picture expert, right? It's not about the little moves here and there, right? If you want to catch big gains in stocks prices, okay, you need to have big picture skills. So that's what I do. That's what I am, big picture expert. Okay, so let me show you. But we make great gains in options with proper confirmation points, right? Markets chop zone right now, right? But bullish, the big picture. All right, welcome to Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. Listen, I have this created playlist, and you want to check out my videos, okay? You want to study my videos. These are, I call big picture plans, okay? Massive gains, you know. I've been making amazing plans since the first market reversal of February 11, 2016, okay? So the win rate for me, okay, with plans is through the roof on the big picture of things. It's not about being right for every little movement. It's about being right the big picture, right? So, SPY 2016 December, there was a clown. You know what I call most of these a lot of, not just the stock clown, but a lot of experts calling for the market to collapse. Market breaks out, and I explain that. Check out my SPY video 300. You're going to see there's a video in there, and it explains you the big picture, unlike anything else out there. Okay, when the SPY goes to 300, what's going to happen to a lot of people? That you want to find out by subscribing and becoming a special follower inside of Power Group Trades. It's about the big picture. Those who have the big picture always make the big bucks. Remember that, people. I suggest you subscribe and do live streams. If you have a YouTube account, if you don't have one, a get one, come here, subscribe menu. If you have one already, I'm going to show you, there's a picture of me inside this video. I'm going to show it to you. You're going to hear me talk to you one-on-one. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Again, people, let's see what I say. I'm going to give you some more instructions. Power to the Trade Center here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here. Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like